Alright, fourth graders, Mrs. Nelson here, and I'm going to show you how to measure a line using the scratch pad and a ruler. So, you should have already found the scratch pad there, and the ruler option should be right next to the protractor. So if you click on it, voila. So, we are going to be using the side that says inches right here, the bottom of it, okay? We're not going to use centimeters, meters up here, not yet. We're going to only use inches. Right, so now you're going to take this and you're going to measure the length of this blue line. Remember, when you're measuring, you need to take and line something up directly with the end as close as you can. And where does it end right there? Well, this one's going to be 3. So you're going to click in here and you're going to type 3. Now, when you're actually doing this, you are going to have to pop off of this, so you're going to have to say, okay, so that's that. So then that's 3 inches, and then these down here, these are inches, feet. This is inches squared, which we don't have a rectangle, we don't have a square, so we can't do that. Only time you use squared is if you're using a square. So we have inches squared, miles squared, feet squared. Don't do that. So we actually have inches here, and you can scroll down here and look. We have cubed, miles cubed, feet cubed, cup, acre, yard, square mile, minute, hour, square mile, gallon, fluid ounce, mile, inch. So we're going to go with inch. Okay, these should all be to inches. Okay, some of these might be half of an inch, meaning if you're using the ruler, they'll come to, so you have an inch from here to here, from 3 to 4, and then the middle line would be the ½ inch. So if this blue line came to right there, that would be 3.5 inches. Okay, so we may go to the ½ inch on these. You will need to be exact as you possibly can. On these, I'll try to get them to at least the inch and ½ inch marks. You should be able to measure in any position going up to 16ths. Right now, these are to 8ths because we have 3, and if we cut the line in half, it would go right. This would be 1/2 right here, 1/2 right there. And then if we had cut the halves in half. If we cut the halves in half, this would be the 4th lines. This would be the 1/4 right there. Would be 1/4. So you'd cut 1/4 right there. And then if you did it again, so that's 1/4, then these lines here, the second tallest, are 1/8. And if you cut the 8 in half, it becomes 16ths. So these are cut up into 16ths right now, is how they're chopped up. Okay. The magnifying glass, you can grab it to see if you would like to. I don't think it really works all that great on this here necessarily, so I don't recommend that you use the magnifying glass. So if you take off the scratch pad, you can type in here, you could type in 0.5 if it's 3.5, but it's not. This one's only 3. So you would submit it. Alright, you have questions, you have concerns, let me know on how to use the scratch pad and the ruler to be able to measure lines, because pretty soon I'm going to have you measuring rectangles to find area and perimeter. Questions, concerns, let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.